and I'll be demonstrating the OnTrak application that I've created. The Live Activity Manager speaks with Firebase and the app itself to update its actions within the live activity. I use the live activity to go from task to task, and so that way the user never has to actually open up the application to continue doing what they're doing. Here's the models that contain all the data. And then the widget manager, it's used to talk between the widget itself, so where the live activity appears, and the application, because the format's different. So it, sharing information requires JSON encoding. And then we have the login view models that contain the data in regards to views that are displayed. Down here we have the track session view, which actually is where the user can start the live activity. And then down here in the OnTrak widgets is all the information regarding the actual live activity widget, which is pretty cool. It took me a while to figure out because the permissions that you're given in Xcode, they're different than that of the physical application, like a physical device application. So I had to work around that and work with Firebase by getting a push notification, and I had to sign up for the premium version that they have. So right now it's building on the app. Oop, I'm accidentally logged in already. But we'll go through the account creation, which is also done through Firebase. So we'll do Greg or something. Create account. As you can see, it comes up with this empty page. There's their account information. But we're going to go to one that I've already created in order to demonstrate the functionality, so we don't have to start from scratch. All right, so here we have the tracks, is what I call them. Eventually, I would like to do something where there's different categories. So you could say you have workouts, routines, recipes, random, whatever you want in here. But you can add another one, evening routine. So there's a lot of potential with it when you're actually in it. Oh, looks like I went through, but this is good to show the reset feature. You can reset it at any point. So say you can mark them complete here, and you can reset it. And then if you actually want to start the live activity, you can even run it from the application itself. So we'll show that. In the simulator, it takes a second. There we go. Complete. And then it comes to the screen, we can reset again. And then when I click this, it actually also creates a live activity here. This was the most important part and what I was most excited about. This is good for like recipes or something where you don't want to keep opening your phone. It's technically actually not showing, but yeah. It's communicating back and forth with the Firebase as well while this is happening to get the push notifications. Otherwise, on a physical device, it would the buttons stop working after about 15 seconds. But as you can see, it's synced up there, and then I can show it one more time to prove that these are actually synchronized. So if I do, we'll click done, and then we'll close out. I might have clicked it one too many times. We'll click it again here. Oops, see, I did it again. I'm impatient, I guess. And then we go in, and it shows the same thing. Bam. And then if I go like this, it's also gone. So, and then we could even reorder things. So say you accidentally put on your pants before your shoes and socks. I meant to say you accidentally put your shoes on before your socks. You can just move that up if it'll let me. There we go. It's easier in the actual app once again. And then you could add a task. You can add a due date if you'd like. Finish homework. And we'll have it set for tomorrow at 7:41. I think that's a good time to finish homework. yeah, and that's my application. I think eventually I'd like to be able to add details to the tracks as well. I need to also add a way to edit them as they are, rather than having to delete them and start over. Oh yeah, you can delete them as well this way. I should also have a way to delete multiple at once. But I got the main functionality and what I wanted to accomplish with this.